If you are interested in selling digital products on eBay, then this video is for you. I'm gonna be showing you mistakes you should avoid and also how you can list a digital product inside your own eBay store. Now all you need to do is drop a like on this tutorial and let's get started right now. Okay, the first thing you need to know is decide if you want to sell digital products through eBay messages or like emails, for example, like eBay messages or email, or you want to sell a digital product inside a physical product, like inside a USB, CD. Now these are not considered digital products to eBay. You can just list them without any problem, just like you do when you list a physical product. Now if you are selling a digital file but it's inside something that you can ship physically, it's not considered digital for eBay, even though it's considered digital for you and the buyer, he knows it's digital product. But like, for example, like if you are trying to sell, for example, Windows keys through eBay messages, that's considered a digital product. Okay, and the way to list these kind of products is very, very different from listing a physical product, just like for example this. Okay, it's a digital, like there is a digital file inside this, but still the buyer, the seller, I'm sorry, has to go to the shipping company and ship this and provide tracking number. So that eBay doesn't really see this as a digital product, but this one is a digital product because still you are selling through eBay messages and email. You are selling the code or whatever inside the email or the, like I said, the eBay messages. Now first I'm going to show you how you can do both ways. Okay, click on sell in the top right and then you want to click on create listing. Now after that you want to enter here the title of your product. Okay, I'm going to enter the title of the product, click on search. And after that you want to click on continue listing. After you say brand new, whatever, continue listing. Now after that you want to upload here the images of the products, of the digital product. Okay, all right. Now if you are selling this, like I said, inside a physical product, okay, you can just list it normally, upload, like add here the description. You can also use the AI description, click on it and it will just generate a description for you. But here is the trick: if you are selling this through eBay messages or email, then here is what you need to do. You want to go first to category. Start with category. The first thing you need to do is click on category, click on edit, and then you want to search here for category here, click on it, and then you want to search here for let me search here. You want to search for everything else. Okay, click on everything else, and then second thing you want to search for information products. After that you want to search for other information products, and then you want to click done. Okay, just change the category. That's exactly what I want you to do, is to change the category. Click on first category and then change it to everything else, information products, other information products. Okay, now after that you want to enter here all the specifications, just like the country, region of the manufacturer. After that, what you need is you want to go to the format. In the pricing you will be able to see a format. Click on buy it now and change it to classified ad. This is very important. Like if you just sell a digital products and you are sending it through email or eBay messages and you are sending and you are selecting buy it now, your account will get suspended. Okay, if there are a lot of buyers that complain about the products, your account is, because it's against eBay policies. Now if you're selling digital products, you want to select here classified ad. Okay, and now after you, like I said, digital products, I mean by sending this code or whatever through eBay messages or email. Okay, now here the duration, you can just select whatever you want, 30 days or until sold. Here classified ad, advertised price. Now I'm going to go with $30. Now after that, there is something you need to know. The fee is above $9. Okay, each listing you list, each digital product you list, I'm talking about something you can send through email without shipping, anything like that, you will have to pay $9, above $9 each time you list this kind of product. Okay, just keep that in mind. That's like insertion fee, so it's like more than $9 depending on your country. And then after you or decide if you want to list it or not, click on list it. Okay, now when you list it, you have successfully listed a digital product. That's how you list a digital product. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, by the way, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just go to the below like, and then ask me any question you have, and I will try to reply to you. Make sure you drop a like on this tutorial, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.